Don't wait for something to stop functioning before it's fixed. It's a costly mistake. Let's discuss the benefits of an effective preventative maintenance system. First and foremost, preventative maintenance helps minimize downtime. Waiting until a system fails before addressing issues means your team loses precious hours or even days of productivity. With a solid preventative maintenance system, you can identify potential problems before they escalate, keeping your systems running smoothly and your team productive. Let's talk money. Reactive maintenance often leads to expensive repairs. Think about it, when something breaks down unexpectedly, you're not only paying for the repair but also for the disruption it causes. A preventative approach allows you to fix minor issues before they become major, more costly problems. You're essentially paying for peace of mind. Another benefit of preventative maintenance is improved asset lifespan. Regular checks and maintenance ensure your equipment and systems stay in peak condition for as long as possible. By taking care of your assets proactively, you avoid premature wear and tear, ultimately extending their useful life and delaying expensive replacements. Finally, a well-maintained system boosts team productivity and morale. When your systems are running smoothly, employees aren't bogged down with issues or waiting for equipment to be fixed. They can focus on what really matters, getting their work done efficiently. Plus, it reduces the frustration of dealing with frequent interruptions, creating a more positive work environment. Now, if your organization operates on Microsoft 365, you're in luck. SB Marketplace has developed a no-code business application that integrates seamlessly with Microsoft's ecosystem. With this tool, you can manage your preventative maintenance with ease, using the familiar SharePoint and Teams interfaces. You don't need to worry about complex setups or new platforms, it's all built to fit on top of the infrastructure you already use. It's the perfect way to simplify your maintenance processes and avoid costly disruptions. Don't wait for something to break down before fixing it. Contact us via the link in the description to start your journey of preventative maintenance today and click the bell for more tips on how to make your business run smoothly on Microsoft 365. See you in the next video.